Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use music in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Audio Library in the left sidebar to open the Music Library page where you can browse and download tracks for your videos. Click the search bar at the top and type in the name of a track. For this example, I'm searching for Sunset Drive. The results filter down to matching tracks, and you'll see a list of available music with details like duration and artist name. Click the play button next to a track to preview it. Here I'm previewing Olmsted Pond to hear what it sounds like before downloading. Once you've found a track you want, click the download button next to it, then click save in the file dialog that opens. The download starts and you'll see the file saved to your computer, ready to add to your video project. All music in the audio library is copyright free for use in your YouTube videos, so you won't get any claims or strikes for using these tracks. If you can't find what you're looking for with search, use the genre and mood filters at the top of the page to narrow down the library. Downloaded tracks save as MP3 files, and you can download the same track as many times as you need for different projects. And that's how to browse, preview, and download music from YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.